Website forms are a standard in all websites today. It's a way to communicate between the site visitors and the site owners that you can send a message to the company and get information or ask for information or just contact them without having to give an email. So the problem is that spam bots often find those forms and they fill it out automatically. They're called spam bots and they fill it out and give junk and you get junk email from those forms. So how do you prevent that from happening? So the main tool used to prevent spam bots from filling out forms is called ReCAPTCHA. It's a tool by Google that's absolutely free, and it allows you to block. It has an algorithm that blocks those spam bots from filling out the form, and that's really going to be the best way to do that. Let me show you here how that works. So on this contact page on this website, there's a CAPTCHA here. I'm going to show you the contact form. It's right here, get in touch. Here's the information you fill out and the message, and this is the CAPTCHA right here. When you check this box, Google is actually checking to make sure that this is not a bot filling it out, but it requires a human to fill it out. In the olden days, this was actually words you would have to type, and then they came up with version 2, ReCAPTCHA version 2, and if you check this off and press contact us, it will, well, I'm not filling out this form because this is a live website, but it will block any spam bots from filling this form out. Google actually recently came out with ReCAPTCHA version 3, which is an option that you don't even have to do the checkbox. It's just a little thing on the bottom of a website. I'm going to show that to you right here on this page right here. Take a look at the bottom left. I'm going to have to turn my screen off from showing you because it's blocking here. So on the bottom right, bottom right of the screen, here's the contact form. Okay, and you press submit. Let's close myself from showing here. Right over here, you see this protected by ReCAPTCHA. This is called an invisible CAPTCHA version 3. You don't even have to do the checkbox. It's there to block the spam. How do you put this in there? Well, it's a free Google account, and that's done by a let's say if your site's WordPress, and you have a contact form 7. You have a contact form 7 form system to manage the form. So you would basically use this thing right here. Integration with other services, ReCAPTCHA, you put in the site key and the secret key, you create a Google ReCAPTCHA account and plug that in. If you need a professional like us to do that for you, that's what we do professionally. Make sure your forms are protected and make sure that you're not getting spam through the forms. If you still are getting once in a while, you'll still get even through ReCAPTCHA, no matter what you do. Then you really want to try something else, like perhaps have all your email filtered through the forms through Gmail, which has itself one of the best anti-spam services built in for free. So that would be the suggestion if all else fails. But 99% of the time, this is going to work and stop the spam. My name is Heshe Friedman. I work for Radial Creations. I hope this post gives you value, and contact me for any of your website and web design needs. Thank you very much.